Hello traders, in this video I'm going to talk about Ameritrade ThinkorSwim platform and the charts that I have set up on ThinkorSwim. I believe Ameritrade is one of the most powerful platforms out there. And that's just my opinion. I believe it's the best. It works wonders for me. I'm sure there are other platforms out there. I haven't tried it, so I'm going to show you the charts on Ameritrade that I have built up. Now the screen that you see here, this is my home screen, and this screen I only use for buying and selling. Now if you see here on the right side, you have buy, custom, sell custom. Buy custom and sell custom, these are the two tools that I use all the time. It's so powerful. You don't have to sit in front of the computer to monitor your trades. You can hit the OCO order and it would do all the work. It would have a stop loss in place for you. It would have your profit target in place for you. If you have a Ameritrade account, you can play around with OCO order, and you can see if that works for you. My second screen is actually the scanner screen, and it is from this screen that I scan my equities and I pick up my equities. My third screen is very important screen, and these are some of my breadth indicators. And if you look down here, I have SPX, I have the 3Qs, and I have my breadth indicator. So this one on the right side, the purple screen, is dollar tick. This one is the most important to me. Then I have got trend Q down here. I have got dollar trend here. I've got dollar ticky here. Dollar ticky I do not look at. Probably I would be removing it very soon. And I have SPX and the 3Qs here. When I'm into a trade, dollar tick is the one that I keep coming back to. This tells me if the equity would be going up, if SPX, 3Qs, the indexes are going up or they're going down. So this is very important to me, and from time to time I would look at dollar trend and dollar trend Q. My fourth screen is my main screen, and I make all my trades on the screen. I have got ATR Wilder down here, which I do not look at. Again, I'm not sure why it is here, but it is just there. I do not look at it. I do not trade based on my ATR. RSI is very important. Oversold, overbought areas, that's what I look into most of the time. And of course, your price action and volume. For intraday traders, these are the two most important things, right? So I have, apart from price action, volume, RSI, ATR, I do have my moving average. This is 7-day moving average. Well, actually on intraday it would work like 7 candles. It will look at 7 previous candles and form a line. And this is my 5 minutes chart, right? My next screen is 10 minutes chart. And here I have down below, I have price and volume trend, which again I don't look at. I have my volume and my price action. I do not have any moving averages. I do not trade by 10 minutes chart. I do not do that. It's just that I think for a better idea or for more confirmation, I may look at it, but my trades are pretty fast and I don't get time to look at my 10 minutes chart, but it is here on my charting list. The next screen is daily chart. I look at this chart only when I'm scanning. So say I have got like about 10 equities that I'm looking at very closely. I would look at those 10 equities on my daily chart and see if they have, any of them have gapped open, or gap down, or they have any resistance. I make my trend lines here. Based on this chart, I would pick up my stocks. So I have my 200-day moving average, I've got my 50-day moving average, and I've got 20-day moving average. These are important to me, but again, I would not, it's not a must that I have to look at it, but it just gives me more confirmation if they are following kind of upward path. Okay, things that I can swear by. And the last chart is excuse me, it's time and sales and my level 2 codes. Level 2 codes, I would look for the spread. If the spread is really wide, I would not trade on that equity, so the spread has to be narrow. Time and sales, I think time and sales would give you the correct picture. Level 2 codes, you know that it is manipulated. Sometimes on some equities it is manipulated. So I will look at my time and sales, which are very important to me, and then I have a 10 minutes equity chart up here. So while I'm looking at my time and sales and level 2 code, I know what's going on to my equity. So, but I don't look at this chart very often. So these are my charts, and in my next video I would talk about how I enter a trade, why I enter a trade, some mistakes that I make, some sensible decisions that I make while I'm in the trade, my entry, exit, profit, targets, stop loss, and how I scan my equities. I feel scanning of the equities is number one for me. So in my next video, we will talk about the things that I've just told you, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.